Hey there, everybody. Thomas with Basecamp Trading. It is Tuesday, May 27th, and we're going to take a look here at Tesla and another one of the trades in the trading room. So these are both two of the trades in the trading room that played out really well today. We had several, though. We had longs in the S&P off of a 30-minute hammer and off of a 5-minute hammer. We had longs in Bull, longs in AMC, longs in BBAI. They all played out really well. But the main one here was Tesla. This was the biggest winner today. And we had several different times we looked to enter into this. The first one was the 350 break. Right at the open, we said, okay, if this breaks 350, we're looking to go long. It obviously broke 350 right off the bat, shot straight up to 355 almost. But that played out really well. That was our first entry. Now, the reason we were looking at this is we had formed this base over months. We rallied out of that base, and then we just consolidated here, and we flagged to the upside, which is what we were triggering now, this breakout. So we triggered that. It's played out really well. Our next resistance is 367 on the pivot high here. Inside of that, we had several other entries, though. We had the 350 break for the first entry. The second entry was this bull flag right here. That was about 353. And the third entry was another long as soon as we broke above 356.80, which is this middle pivot high here. And it's just stayed in an uptrend all day and continued to climb following the MQ wind wave indicator. So played out really, really well overall. The next setup that we had, this has been a swing trade, and I'm still in my shares for this. I covered all my options, but that's GameStop. We bought options in GameStop when it broke out last week on Thursday. It followed through fairly well. Obviously, we covered the rest of those today, but I'm still holding shares from like the 27, 28 area. So I'm going to let those continue to run. And GameStop has potential to keep climbing quite a bit because when you look at the weeklies here, we're getting a big weekly breakout now as well. So we're through the pivot highs. I'd like to see ideally a close today above 35. They're trying to keep us down below that, but this has potential to push all the way back up to that $40 level in the coming days, weeks. So keep an eye on it. I wouldn't necessarily want to buy it right now because we've just had 3 really big up days and we're getting kind of extended. But if we look for a pullback sometime this week and then potentially a long that goes into next week, we could be looking at running that. But overall, not a bad day. Again, had several other trades as well, but those were 2 of the big ones. But hope it helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Even like the Tesla trade, for example, was posted on Twitter. If you follow me on X, it's at Trades with Tom. But don't forget to like and subscribe here. And if you want to join us in the trading room where you get all these trades, just go to basecamptrading.com. That's it for now. Until next time, everybody. Happy trading.